Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification channel for more update. Thank you. Ditaba di fele guys. The known and young popular star Tebogo Mashiro exposed Maphorisa, the well-known guy, the Scorpion brand owner. He went live on Facebook to explain how dangerous DJ Maphorisa is. He said he is sacrificing people's career and also people's life. For example, he mentioned Mbura and other artists that passed away, not forgetting Sister Lee. May their soul continue to rest in peace. He also mentioned that Cetril, Molindo, and other artists that worked with him, that is why there is no process in their career because he doomed them. He mentioned that Maphorisa also wanted to sacrifice him to make him his Dikoloshi because he is now 23 years old and Maphorisa was going to get 23 million. Phew. Listen to the video that follows.
Scorpion Kings 23 million angeke na 23 years nanyo go ntse ke na 23 years le tsere mpore a ka accident tso tse loreng di irala mo Mozambique batho ba ba tlhokofala si stalile na ba ka ba izirwa mistake ai ke mo se destroy ke braga go nyo le nyo go tsena linkise go listen si stalile just because of favor na ba nyo go